How to make games activity show on Discord. So first is, of course, you have to go to your desktop because you cannot do that on your Android. Now turn on your Discord account here. As you can see, I've already signed in my account. So here you will see these options here. You'll see your name, the mic, the deafen icon, and the user settings icon. Tap on your settings here, and on the left side you will see these options. There's a lot of options. So what I want you to do is to go here to your activity settings. Now here on your activity settings is you have to actually register your game. So let's say now the next thing that you want to do is here to go to your activity privacy and turn this display current activity as status message. So whenever you are playing these games, then your activity status will actually come out. So with share your activity status by default when joining large servers here, turn that on. Basically, that's how you make games activity show on Discord. That is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.